Heart Diddy Gang, what's up?
I can't get you out of my mind. I'm saying stop playing, girl, you out of line. Couldn't erase these feelings even if I try. You stay on my mind.
What's up, guys?
Gang, gang, we back with another one. Y'all, today we are doing Nathan onion rings. I love Nathan onion
Doing them
rings.
mukbang. It's gonna be a lot of eating, a lot of crunching, a lot of snacking. Ooh.
Y'all, about the
Y'all,
sauces we got.
we are trying with different sauces. So we have honey mustard. We have the B-Loves Smackalicious sauce, y'all.
So we had some leftovers, you know.
And then we have barbecue.
And the nacho cheese. I don't know if y'all can
Y'all
see
get
it.
into that. Get into that cheese, y'all.
I don't know if y'all can get into that cheese, but it's real cheesy.
It is. It tastes real good. Just like back in the day, we used to get nachos at the consistent.
Yes.
That's what it reminds me of. But we finna get ready to pray. We'll get into some food and chit chat.
Amen.
Amen.
If you are new to our channel, welcome to the DD Gang. DD Gang. Oh my God.
God, we just love you guys. Thank you for everybody that's watching our videos. Thank you for everybody that's subscribing to us.
Everybody that supports us.
Yes, we love it. We love the energy. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. We're going to keep it coming to you guys. But we just finna start eating this food. Start eating this food.
I know I'm ready.
I don't know what I want to try first.
I'm gonna go with barbecue because I already know barbecue tastes good. And good. Anyway,
My ears, y'all.
a lot of people was asking how we were even trying to eat that burger. How I even ate the burger. Honestly, y'all, it was a lot of meat. I ain't even gonna tell y'all no story. That's why it took me a while to chew in the end, because I'm like, it felt like I was swallowing, but the meat wasn't going nowhere. Literally.
Yeah. That cheese.
Glory, you made you just do that to me.
I'm
You
sorry.
spit through me like that.
I'm sorry, okay?
Glory.
You should have glory too. Get your onion ring, dip in 3.
Only was
Okay?
good though. And I dipped in there.
Oh, tell me somebody come out.
She did, y'all see what she had. Glory.
What did he gain? If food don't make you jiggle and wiggle, you ain't eating the right food,
Let
okay?
me try with this B-Love sauce. Let me see what's up. That ain't bad.
Ain't bad.
Ain't bad.
All that cheese, y'all.
Ooh. I told y'all I was gonna get a haircut. I got a haircut. Just got a do-rag on.
I gotta try it with the B-Love. When we still got the onions in there. From there, y'all see that? Ooh. Oh.
I know y'all probably think every time I get on here, I just be focusing on eating. I do, y'all, because we literally probably eat about 2 times a day. So there's breakfast and whenever we get off, honestly.
That was good.
If you guys have any ideas that you want us to do, comment below. Let us know. We're really trying to get some good content for you guys. So, do let us know. Got you wiggling?
I mean, wiggling, baby. Ooh!
Honey mustard. Everything with honey mustard be good.
It is. I literally eat everything with honey mustard, guys.
Everywhere we go,
Everything.
she want honey mustard.
See me at any restaurant, you are guaranteed to see me with some honey mustard and some ranch.
She ain't playing. Every time we go somewhere, ooh.
That white cream strawberry. Yeah, we drinking on this today.
Slide it right back in there.
One of my favorite ocean sprays. Really, we like a lot of them. But this is one of my ultimate favorites. The white cream strawberry, guys.
Put this together, y'all.
And it's really good. What's y'all
We
favorite
do.
ocean spray?
We do. You put me on that.
Cause it's good.
I was doing the strawberry kiwi.
Strawberry kiwi.
They got strawberry kiwi ocean spray, boo. They do. They used to sell it in the bottles, like when you go to the gas station. But you don't see them all the time. Like when I go to the store, I don't see it a lot.
Yeah, I don't think you ever got it.
No, I'm talking about it's in the mini bottles, not the big bottle. Yeah. I'm trying to. But that's the best one they got.
What's your favorite ocean spray we drink at? Comment below. I like the cran grape too. Real good.
Cran grape.
It's real good.
I like cran apple more than cran grape. I do.
Yeah, you know, really
No, I used to go get some from the store every time. I knew she wouldn't drink it, so I made sure I get it. Because she ain't going to touch it.
I put for a minute now.
I ain't, you know I do. So if I put anything else in there, she going to drink it and she going to be like, I'm going to get you another one. Then she gets me another one.
She's
but
so
then she drinks that
stingy.
one. I ain't stingy.
She's so stingy, guys.
I'm not stingy, guys.
Like,
Y'all, anybody knows, we like, you know how your little brother or your little sister, you put something in the refrigerator and they know they're supposed to touch it, but they touch it anyway? That's what she do. That's what she do.
there's no limit on what's in the fridge. If it's from her, is it from me? It's both of them. But she can have that cringe.
Her gold, y'all, her favorite drink is the Gold Peak Extra Sweet Tea. Every time we pass the gas station, we literally stop. She go get one. We can never go somewhere. She can go to the mailbox. Oh, I'm gonna stop by the store and go.
I have to.
I'm like, girl, I'm gonna get me a box of Gold Peak and whip you up something because you keep buying me bottles of Gold Peak.
But they don't have the big ones for the extra sweet tea, so you gotta get in where you fit in.
Maybe we can order online.
Get in where you fit in. I don't feel online either.
You know?
No. It's a sad, sad world out here. These so good, y'all.
Yeah.
Oh. It was so good. I don't think I ever ate onion rings with nacho cheese before.
We eat them.
It's so good.
We gotta do chili cheese onion ring. It's making me
Chili cheese?
I think it's gonna bust. I think it's gonna be good.
Like this video if y'all want to see the chili cheese onion rings.
Yes, if y'all think we should do chili cheese onion rings. Yes, I think they're gonna like it. I really like it. Imagine you like it with nacho cheese.
Yeah, nacho cheese sauce.
How can you go wrong with a little meat? Just think about it. With a little bit.
Onion ring though?
Yeah, cause onion ring ain't no but like onion and so just like we was having a, I don't know, but
I don't know about that.
it complements each other. It's not like you're trying to have onion rings with, I would say broccoli.
Broccoli?
Yes, like I feel like they don't go together. But chili and cheese on top of onion ring, I just feel like it complements the friedness. Make it me and you would never part.
Oh, it was so good, y'all. The onion ring just good in general.
Some of that good we love. Good.
Oh, that juice just rejuvenate me every time I take a sip. I'm just all in this cheese. Now that I eat it, I just can't stop, y'all.
It's good with that honey mustard too.
Yeah.
Y'all go to the store. Get some of these naked onion rings. They are good.
For real.
Don't even take long to make. Bring back them Friday.
For real.
You know they pull out the nations on us. We should do the naked hot dog. And naked onion rings or something like that.
They hot dogs are good too.
We should do it like a hot dog. Contest between me and you.
Who can eat the best? Who can eat?
Maybe 5. 5 and 5. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out.
These things so good.
How has everybody been? Is there stuff that people want to, you know, if y'all want, that y'all want us to talk about? Y'all get so tongue hot. That y'all want us to talk about? Comment below and let us know. I thought you was listening to Lil Baby. Whoa.
I was listening to Ring in the Club lights. That's what little dance we used to do back in the day. Hey. Hey. Oh, snap.
What did you do?
Whoa, that was funny right there. Had to replay that. That was funny.
All the other ones require you getting up. That I was thinking of right then and there.
Playing a pool paddling. Rocky Hill.
Batman. Bird walk.
Do my bird walk. They get silly dance.
Chicken noodle soup. One, two step, Sierra. Love it when you 1, 2 step. The little
Everybody wants to
like going upstairs. Yeah. I just watched that video the other day.
Really?
Cause you know, that's my melanin. Yeah, chocolate. I like this song. That's why.
Melanin.
That's how I ended up going back.
I like that video with her and Meg. Speaking of Meg, she coming here March 2020. Y'all, I'm getting my tickets. I gotta get my 4 seats. Trying to see about them VIP tickets. gotta see Meg, y'all. You know me. Anybody who know me know I love Megan. The mother style. And that's just that on that. Gotta see Megan. And you in Columbus, Georgia in March of next year. Make sure you be there.
Talking about you.
Make sure you be there. What they say? Or hear about it. And that's just that on that. Cause y'all know how Megan be showing out when she perform anywhere. So y'all already know she gonna show out when she come. That's just her. It wouldn't be Megan if she didn't show out. I just gotta be up there. Up close and personal. Just all in there, y'all. I just love me some Megan. Might even go by myself.
I heard it. Excuse me.
Are you gonna be closing my burger? It's only right. It's only right. Folks talking about the price of the tickets, right? But all these other artists, the ticket be sky high. Stop playing. Y'all even know Queen Bee tickets be high. You can sit in the way back. You gonna pay about $2-3. I'm trying to marry y'all. You don't need to go out there and support her. Let's just that on that. For real.
Y'all. I really ain't ate all day. I'm getting it's filling me on up. I probably smashing
to the full side. You heard that commercial, bro? I mean that Turner Jefferson.
Yeah, but that's not the words.
She said we're moving on up to the east side.
Oh yeah, what you said?
We're moving on up to the full side. In reference to what you said.
That was good. That was good.
Yeah, I know.
I really thought I was gonna have to get you.
You all be on my blood.
I'm gonna have to Shazam, yeah.
Moving on up. For real. That train done breathe all the way out here like that. Feel like something done hit my goddamn, my dang arm that felt like. What was that? I don't even try my money's point out. It's good. That cheese.
They all good.
Cheese me.
All good.
You really ate that like that?
It was on the park. Just went in the edge of the park.
And then 4?
Yep. Y'all. I am getting full. And believe it or not, y'all always have to do reg on. And press your head down. I'm taking
You know
off.
how when men say, don't like they want me leaving out the house with the bonnet on?
I did get a
That's how
haircut
it's
though,
what you
y'all.
feel about
If
them
y'all
do-rags.
can they tell? Can you see it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Because I did get a haircut now. I really got it touched up. No, look clean. I went and got a look clean. But for real, I like to have my rag on.
If you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe. We'll check out our other videos.
Give it a
Comment about
thumbs
things
up.
y'all want to see, things y'all want to talk about. We want to be start talking about other things, other topics as well, you guys. But y'all already know the motto, man. One love, two hearts.